iPhone Ultra launch could be more limited than anyone expected. Apple's first foldable iPhone is expected to make its debut next month, but new reports suggest that not everyone will be able to buy it at launch. According to recent supply chain rumors, the device, which has been referred to as both the iPhone Ultra and iPhone Fold, may initially launch only in the United States before expanding to other regions. Unlike Apple's traditional worldwide releases, this limited rollout is reportedly driven by manufacturing challenges rather than marketing strategy. Sources claim Apple is facing lower-than-expected production yields, hardware defects during early manufacturing, and the high cost of producing advanced foldable components. These issues are said to be limiting the number of units Apple can build, forcing the company to prioritize one market while suppliers improve production efficiency. As a result, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could receive a normal global launch, while the foldable model remains exclusive to the US for the first few months. Apple reportedly wants to avoid a severe worldwide supply shortage for what is expected to be its most expensive iPhone ever. Rumors point to a possible announcement on September 9th, but availability may be extremely limited even for American customers. Industry insiders believe initial inventory will be only a fraction of what Apple usually prepares for a flagship iPhone launch, potentially leading to limited pre-orders, long delivery times, and extended waiting lists. Apple has followed a similar strategy before with the Vision Pro headset, launching first in the United States to better manage limited supply before expanding internationally. The foldable iPhone may follow the same approach, although demand is expected to be significantly higher. The device is rumored to feature a large 7.8-inch foldable inner display with a nearly invisible crease, a premium titanium frame, Apple's powerful A20 Pro chip, and 12 gigabytes of RAM for advanced multitasking and an iPad-like experience. However, these cutting-edge technologies are expected to push the starting price beyond $2,000, making it Apple's most expensive smartphone to date. If production challenges continue, customers in many countries may not see the foldable iPhone until late 2026 or even early 2027, making it one of Apple's most exciting yet hardest-to-buy products ever.